Look at those boys, aren't they so cool? Spreading the gospel, not going to school. Girls look at them and they think, man, they get everything. They get Spanish and scriptures and Converse. They get name tags and backpacks galore. You want pass along cards? We've got 20, but who cares? No big deal. We want more. We want to go at 22 and 27. We want to wear skirts and dresses all day. We want to buy some super chunky missionary shoes. Dating a preem, we won't get very far. Our arms are crazy about getting married. Waiting for my very own missionary call. I want to teach, I want to preach, I want to spread the good word of God. Watch and you'll see, someday I'll be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of this country? What would I pay to spend a day with my companion? Then in the fields they carry shields, but they don't take off me armor. Break your sisters, sick of misters, ready to stand, yeah, ready to eat what the people eat, asking commandments